Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the life and legacy of one of history's greatest scientists, Sir Isaac Newton, and how his work transformed our understanding of the world. Isaac Newton was a pioneering figure in the fields of mathematics, physics, and astronomy. His most famous contribution is the development of the laws of motion and universal gravitation, which laid the foundation for classical mechanics and the modern scientific understanding of the universe. Newton's three laws of motion describe the relationship between an object's motion and the forces acting on it. These laws are still used today to calculate the motion of everything from a falling apple to a spacecraft traveling through space. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that every mass attracts every other mass in the universe, with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. This law explains not only why objects fall to the ground, but also how planets orbit the Sun and moons orbit planets. In addition to his work in physics, Newton made significant contributions to mathematics, especially in the development of calculus. His work laid the groundwork for many scientific and technological advancements that followed. Isaac Newton's legacy is immense. His laws of motion and universal gravitation revolutionized physics and laid the foundation for much of modern science. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest scientists of all time, and his ideas continue to influence our understanding of the natural world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the history of science and technology. In summary, Galileo Galilei's work fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe and laid the groundwork for modern astronomy and physics. His contributions continue to inspire scientists and thinkers to this day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content on science and history.